Hi, Fizra Tech here. This is first channel vlog about my video compilation for drone crash. Okay, the first number one. My drone crashed somewhere near to the Sungai Pisang. I hit to my sister with the drone propeller. That was because I thought the drone is stable even though there's no GPS inside the jungle. I accidentally hit the propeller to my sister, and at the same time the drone is crashed. And somehow it's like become turning. The camera was turning and drone also turning without proper landing. Okay, number two. That was on Chinese New Year, on year 2017, where we are on vacation for the Chinese New Year, which is we went to the Camera Highland. There was second time I hit to the, I don't know what you call it, clock tower or call it somewhere in garden, no. Okay, number three. That was on Raya 2017, where we went to Malacca. At that time, at the night time, it was narrow, very narrow space. But at the same time, the drone got GPS, which is stable. But I still feel like less confident. Not even just less confident, but I feel like because the drone, even though my drone got GPS, moving something a bit, even though it got GPS. So you can check it out. Okay, I'll show you now. So even though I almost hit the narrow wall there, but I still managed to escape from that the narrow space and get a clear nice view at the night time. And also there was a firework where somewhere in Malacca there, I don't know which place. We go on to number four. That was on the car event for the GTX 86, which is quite nice car. I like it. That was my first time doing car event video for the drone shoot. Then at the same time, there's quite sad. I hit to somewhere in the lamp post. Okay, number five. That time I was doing for the music video. So the drone is hit to on the tree branch, but that doesn't crash. So safe, the drone's safe. Number six. I was hiking at the Damansara there. There was nice view on the top there, but unfortunately I was like, maybe it's something like I did mistake, because I was trying to take off from my back. So suddenly it was like the drones become like the body suddenly like turning into the front, that because just all balance can like dropping to on the down there. Okay, this year not many. Okay, there's only two places I got crash. Bukit Asa. That was because nobody helping me to land and to catch my drone for during I landing. So that's what caused drone crash. Okay, number two, we are going for Chinese New Year vacation. So that time I was take a beautiful shot. I was like doing the point of interest, take a beautiful shot on the moss there. We call it melting moss. So I was making circle around the drone, circle around. At the same time, suddenly because I can't see on the drone behind, so that's what caused the drone hit on my or somewhere that the jungle we call it the jungle mountain there. So but we managed to find the drone without any loss in the jungle. So because we got the GPS, so it was safe, the drone. So far my drone I went for repair 2 times only. Last year, after my drone hit on the camera hidden side there, we went to shop to repair the drone. And this year, after I hit after the last on the Panko Island, my drone is crashed. Then we went to another shop to repair my drone. So I would like to thank for those people who repaired to my drone. Don't forget to subscribe my channel so that you won't miss any next video. That's all. Okay, Fizzlater here. Ciao. Bye.